Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This video is going to be about how easy to use or important the transformation docker is. I made a three-sided triangle. I'm going to make this dimension 2 inches. I am going to go to Windows Transform, Dockers, Transform. Now, in earlier versions, it's called Transformation. I'm going to go change this to 2 inches. I want 10 of them. So I could have done that with Control D for sure. But what's easy about this, I can hit the plus key on the keyboard. I can mirror that guy. I can put it right there. And without changing anything, I can just hit apply and it put 10 more on top. Pretty important, easy to do. And you could just, and then you could take this. And this is 7.32. Instead of trying to remember that number, let's type in 0 in the X and put this, cut and copy this in the Y. I would delete those zeros in the number inch mark. Now, if you want it to come downhill, you just make it a negative. And you made that many, it's a pattern. It's you could do a lot with this. I mean, you could virtually segment, delete, and make that pattern right there, or make it all the way across. So if you have never used the transformation docker or transform, give it a try. There's a lot here. I mean, I've done videos on it, but rotate and skew and scale and mirror, but I'm on position right now, and you could just almost do anything with it as moving stuff around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.